The ZZ plant is a plant of many names. It also goes by the Zanzibar plant, Zanzibar gem, Zuzu plant, aroid palm, eternity plant, or emerald palm. Although it can be grown both in and outdoors, it's typically uncommon for this plant to flower while being grown inside. When placed outdoors, the ZZ plant will typically flower in late summer or early fall. It is a perennial plant, meaning it will usually bloom once a year and return the following year. As a houseplant, it is known for its air purifying abilities and is also thought to reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and boost productivity. When it comes to care, the Zanzibar plant tends to be extremely easy. They are not picky about the amount of light they receive, whether it be low or high. However, try to avoid direct sunlight. If you choose to grow this plant indoors, it can reach anywhere from 2 to 5 feet and up to 10 plus feet outdoors. A thorough watering every 1 to 2 weeks is enough for the ZZ plant, but be sure not to drown it. Use a pot with a drainage hole or place rocks or marbles at the bottom of the pot to assist with draining and avoiding root rot.